Hey guys, welcome back to our video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you can fix dev error 5820 in Black Ops 6. This is a step-by-step guide so you can follow easily. Now, you want to go ahead and open up your launcher right here. You could be using something like Xbox, Steam, or the other launcher, which is the Blizzard launcher. Now, in my case, I have the Xbox game launcher open. Now, you simply want to head over to the Call of Duty application. You could be doing the same thing for this team right here. You want to navigate through your library, and once inside, you can just head over to Call of Duty or Black Ops 6. Now, once inside this specific game, which is Black Ops 6, all you have to do is to go ahead and right click the application right here, click on manage, and right after that, you want to navigate through the files right here. Once navigating through files, you simply want to click on the verify and repair button. Now, this should go ahead and fix all of the problems that you are having with your Call of Duty application. So right after clicking on it, it will then go ahead and verify all of the game files installed to your device, and you should be good to go. For Steam users, you can just navigate through the Steam library, go ahead and click on your game, and from here, you simply want to click on properties. Inside properties, click on installed files. From here, you have the verify integrity of game files inside this window. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.